Hello, my name is Roger Smith and I'm here to show you LivelyDocs. LivelyDocs is a document collaboration platform that's enabled on the server side with a server component and on the client side with the Office add-in component. The goals of the demo today are to show you the website and some of the features there, the installer, which in and of itself is quite advanced, as well as a demo using the Word add-in. So I'll start with the website. LivelyDocs is built purely with PHP and MySQL. No other external libraries are being used, and the purpose of that is to allow, if this were to become on-site or on-premise application, that it could easily be installed and maintained. It's set up with news feeds so that people can, once they log in, see what's happening with the documents and actions that they need to take action on. If I click on one of these items, I can see all the revisions related to a particular document. I can add a note here. So I remember what happened. And I can also share the document with others. The sharing feature in and of itself has the ability to not only share with users currently logged in or currently registered with the system, but also users who aren't registered with the system. That model is the PayPal model, where you can pay people that either have a PayPal account or not. It's the same concept. If they are registered with the system, and it will let them know, and the user can then just click a link and accept the collaboration. If they're not registered with the system, it will send them an email letting them know that someone's willing to share a document with them and that they should go to livelydocs.com to register. So I'll begin by clicking on my account to download the latest plugin. Anytime new release is placed onto the system, the user will see a notice at the top of the screen. Since there hasn't been one in the past few days, I'll just go to my account and click one. Now, I mentioned the installer because the installer has the ability to is a very small installer, so it allows for very quick download when a user first clicks on it. What it then does is it finds what version of Office the user is currently running, sends that back to the server, and then the server loads up the appropriate Office add-in installer as per their proper Office version. In this case, it's Office 2007. Next, I agree. So now it's installing the appropriate add-in as per Office 2007. Start. See the LivelyDocs menu here. Check my settings. Everything's okay. Click OK and I should be logged in. Once I'm logged in, I'll see two tabs here. My documents, which are, if we're in Word, which we are, we'll see Word documents that I have access to, either that I own or that have been shared with me. As you see, I created this first one while I was shared these other two from Roger. Now, you can easily disable the LivelyDocs add-in by just logging out. And once you've logged out, then essentially the add-in does nothing. If I log back in, the panel should come back again. And if I go ahead and create another, let's see, to-do list. Now, the other tab that I hadn't mentioned is the Document Details tab. That tab displays details specific to the document you're working on. Since this document hasn't been uploaded to LivelyDocs, then there's no relevant details to display. If I go ahead and click Upload, it'll try to save it. And now it's been uploaded, and you can see relevant details, namely the latest revision number, who created the latest revision, and then here you can see all the list of revisions for this particular document. They can easily be clicked on and opened up within Word, so you can get a quick view of what's been changed. Right now there's no other collaborators except myself, so I'll go ahead and share this. So now what's going to happen is the system's going to check if that particular user, Raj_21, is already a member of the system. If they are, it'll send them an email letting them know that I've shared a document with them and that they should go ahead and accept it, and we can begin collaboration. Now if we go back to the home page, we should see in our news feed that Roger has accepted my invitation to share to-do list and tells us when he did it. So that's great. So now we should be able to collaborate on this document. I have two computers going here, and the other one I just typed something, so we should see that show up automatically in our document here. There we go. And now if I go ahead and add some as soon as I save it, the system will go ahead and trigger an event that will indicate that this document has been saved. We are in fact syncing this document, and it will perform the upload, as you can see in the bottom left hand here, upload complete. And now that those changes are shown on my other computer, I just made some changes on my other computer, and so they should show up here in this document shortly. Keep in mind that all the revisions are being shown updated live as we update the document. And you'll see that my changes have in fact come over. So in a nutshell, that is LivelyDocs. I haven't shown you some of the more advanced features. And again, we also have an add-in for Excel, which works very similarly. But that's a brief overview, and I hope that you enjoyed the demo.